everyone, and welcome to the Phenomenal Five. This is probably about take 15 on this today. I've been having some issues. Just wanted to follow up with some more product reviews. A couple of items that I've purchased for or pre-purchased for the RV for when I get started. We're going to go ahead and start with the cat tree. The cat tree is a no-frills tree for the girls to be able to get in up to the upper bunk. I chose this particular tree because it has a 12 by 12 inch footprint, small enough that it's going to basically be out of the way. Let's see, I'm doing my things again. I'm sorry. I got Brutus over here playing with Laverne. Anyway, the tree is, my plan is to place it right there on the floor plan. It should be out of the way. I'm hoping the 36-inch height on it is tall enough, but I've decided if it's not, I can add a little bit of a base underneath it to make it work. You'll also see by looking at the floor plan that I have taken out the dinette. At least that's my plan, to put my work desk there and to add a shelving unit for the pantry, because this unit floor plan does not have a pantry. I haven't picked that one out yet. It's a basically because I don't know how much room I'm going to have, so I don't know what size I need to get. So that may be able to be done once I get actual of the length of that space. So all I have to do is call it Hail at RV and they'll get it for me. And then look, and basically if I'm going to use my current desk, I'll be fine. But if I decide to go ahead and purchase a different one, that'll be involved as well. So you'll see I did not film me putting this thing together. I know a lot of people put in their videos of them building, but those of you who know me know I'm not very mechanically inclined, and I didn't want to embarrass myself not being able to figure it out, even though it was really simple to put together. And you'll see here, as soon as I set it up, Gossamer went and found her spot. She is the type of cat that likes to be in lower, dark, and cramped spaces. Every time I have to find her, she's usually hiding underneath in one of the cabinets, usually behind the pots and pans. And then I noticed that the glare when I was filming Gossamer, so I waited until nighttime to get a video of Shirley finding her spot. She also sits up on the upper one, which I haven't filmed. And I wasn't able to get any filming of Laverne playing with the little mouse hanging off there. Every time I'd see her playing with it and I'd get the phone out to film her, she would stop. So I'm going to still work on that, try to get some of that for you. The next thing we want to review is I did go and purchase a zero gravity chair. A couple of the people that I watch on a regular basis, they have them, they swear by them. So I figured, the chair I have that I was planning on taking, which was, a gift from a former employer for us having a great safety record, which is nice. It's made by Coleman, and it has in one of the arms is a little ice cooler. You can put about 6 soda cans in there, or beer cans if you drink beer, which is nice, but it really, for just lounging around, is not very comfortable. So anyway, I purchased this chair. A little more expensive than what I was hoping to pay, but I went ahead and spent the extra money, and I have to tell you, it is well worth it. I uh, set it up in the living room, and sat there and watched some TV for several hours and found it to be very comfortable. So I understand why these guys love it, and I will be definitely having fun with it. Last night I went and built a little fire out in the yard and sat around the campfire, so that was enjoyable. It was like the first time it hasn't rained in like 2 weeks here, so, and it's raining today, so you might hear some thunder in the background. Um, but anyway, thought you would enjoy these products, or want to give you a heads up on everything. Just remember, thank you very, very much for watching. Please, yeah, there's thunder. Brutus doesn't like the thunder. He's over here cowering next to me. The um, sorry, I'm getting distracted. Thank you very much. Um, be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so you get notified of future videos. Follow me on this journey. I'm getting a little antsy. I'm ready to hit the road. Anyway, also share, comment, all the good stuff. Again, thank you very, very much for watching, and I will catch you next Sunday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.